Elizabeth, the editor of the Singapore Women's Weekly.
And I'm Cheryl, the contributing associate editor. As you can see, we're in our best formal wear today because we're about to make a special Christmas-themed dinner.
Cheryl will be attempting a festive pasta and I will be making desserts.
It's our first time ever making these recipes, so wish us luck.
Let's get to it!
So today I'm going to teach you a Christmas-themed pasta that's half red, half green. It's a perfect dish to serve your guests if you would like a festive touch. So first I'm going to cut the red pepper. Okay, now I'm going to cut the green pepper. So same thing. Okay, the recipe calls for 6 cloves of garlic. So for the green portion of the pasta, I've got my guacamole here. So I got some ready-made basil pesto. And then for a little zest, you can add some lemon. Okay, so next step, you boil the pasta. Give pasta a little shake. Okay, so next I'm going to cook the green peppers for the green sauce. You can pour your green sauce with the green pasta. Give it a good mix. So for the red, you're going to toss in some garlic first. You can throw in your red peppers. Add in your red paste. And then now toss in your diced tomatoes. Once you're ready, add in your red pasta. Okay, so now that you have your red and green, you are ready to plate.
To start, I'm going to add in a whole stick of butter. So in it goes. I'm going to add in 1 cup and 1/4 of brown sugar. Fresh milk here, 3 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. And next, I'm going to add in 3/4 cup of peanut butter. And then with this, I'm going to start mixing it in the mixer. So once it's well mixed, you can add in an egg and start mixing again. So in a separate bowl, you can add 1 3/4 cup full of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoon of table salt. So I'm going to take the bowl of the mixer. The batter looks quite nice. And I'm going to use this cookie dough scoop. Once you have a little bit more of that regular shape for your cookie dough, what you can do is do a little V shape for the reindeer's chin. So alternatively, you can use the back of a spoon to just press it down. Okay, it looks good. I'm making Rudolph cookies, so everyone will have a red nose. For this, I'm using M&Ms. The eyes, I'm using chocolate chips from Hershey's. So for the ears, I'm going to use mini pretzels, and while it cools down, it sets in. And there you have it. 2 dishes that are great for the Christmas season.
And if there's anything you would like us to try, leave a comment down below. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!